this is the first time I'm doing a recording in 2 weeks, and yesterday I saw this movie called Thalivi on Netflix, starring Kangana Ranaut, and it is based on the life of the late Chief Minister Jayalalitha, Srimati Jayalalitha. So it is, my God, I mean, it's when you watch this film, you have to just give it to Kangana for showing us all the different facets of Mrs. Jayalalitha. Like, I mean, she brings her alive on screen, and the Jayalalitha we see is so likable, is so vulnerable. I mean, and she's got that steely determination. So in the end, I think that's what sets people apart, having that level of determination. So really, people, I can't recommend this film enough. It's called Thalivi, and you can watch the Hindi version, which is on Netflix, which you can get for 200 bucks a month on your phone, because this is something that, you know it's like a world education you get, really, by watching these different movies, and you learn about different perspectives of life. So really, people, so do watch it. It's called Thalivi, and I would give it like a 5-star rating, because it has Kangana Ranaut, who's such a stellar performer, and she just brings alive a character on screen. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.